Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to mute or leave a chat on Substack. To mute or leave a chat on Substack, follow these detailed steps. The first thing to do is to log into your Substack account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Substack website. Enter your email address and your password to log into your account if prompted. Once logged in the left-hand navigation menu, click on the chat icon which we have in here. And this will take you to your chat interface where you can see all ongoing chats. So browse through your list of chats to find specific chats you want to mute or leave. So let's see, espousing Hattie. I don't know how these guys sent me into, but that's pretty much like a group. And select the message, so that's a thread. And Substack reads. Okay. All right. Let me enable the chat. Okay, I head over to chat here and just enabling chat for those people that want to start a conversation with me. That's what I'm doing here now. That's not what this post is about, but I just have to enable and refresh. So let's say you find this all, and this is direct. So this is like messages directed to you and unread. So after going through any of the chats, I do not have a chat where I have like conversations ongoing with anybody directly, but just browse through a list of chats to find specific chats you want to mute or leave. Now click on the chat to open it. Once you click on the chat to open it, if you want to mute notifications for the chat, just go ahead and look for the chat settings, like within the chat settings. And let's say this is a chat, and okay, for example, let me just click on this house in a bit, which I was added to, and click on the three dots menu at the top right corner of the screen and of the chat window, and you have these options here. Now go ahead and click on mute. Now you can mute this to turn off notifications. You can mute for 1 hour, or you can mute for 8 hours, for 24 hours, or until I change it. So once you mute that, that means you've been able to turn off notification for these particular chats. You will stop receiving notifications from this chart. All right, this will stop notifications from this chart without leaving it. All right, so if you want to leave the chart entirely, go ahead and click on that three dots menu again and click on leave and confirm. And once you confirm the action by clicking on leave, that's it, you'll be able to leave. That then, after muting or leaving, return to the chat list to confirm that the chat is either muted, which is still visible, or removed from your list if you left. So you see, I have left that group. Now, by following the steps, you can easily mute or leave a chat on Substack, allowing you to manage your notifications and chat interactions according to your preferences. Now, go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.